Hi guys, recently I made this white winter vegetable soup, which was delicious enough on its own, but I topped with spiced walnuts, grilled pear, Roquefort cheese and truffle oil. Such a delicious autumnal lunch or starter. So start off by adding 100 grams of walnut halves to a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of sea salt flakes, a really good generous grinding of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 90 milliliters of olive oil, and roughly 2 teaspoons of sugar. The darker the better. Now mix everything up until all the nuts are nicely slicked to that spicy oil, and then transfer them to a baking sheet. Lay them in a single layer and transfer the sheet to a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Next, take 1 medium-sized cauliflower, remove the leaves, cut it in half, and chop up that half really small. Then add it to a bowl until later. Next, take a leek and remove the white part and maybe a little bit of the light green part as well. You don't want too much green going into the soup though. Then cut it in half lengthwise and rinse it under the tap like this. This is the best way to get out all the little bits of grit that might be in between the layers. Then just chop it up and add to the bowl with the cauliflower until later. Next, peel a parsnip and dice that up into a pretty small die. Do the same with a medium-sized potato, then add to the bowl with all the other veg. Next, take 1 small turnip or a swede or even a celeriac and cut it in half, peel it and dice it up as well before you add it to the bowl. Now finally take 1 onion and peel it and dice it up, but don't add this to the bowl. First you're going to melt some butter in a large heavy based saucepan and then add the onion. Season now with a good fat pinch of sea salt flakes and a really generous grinding of black pepper. Give them a good stir and allow them to sweat for about 5 minutes until they go nice and soft, but try not to get any colour in them. Then add all the other diced vegetables, turn the heat down to medium and allow them to sweat for about 10 minutes with the lid on, stirring them occasionally. Then give them another good stir before you add about 1 litre of good stock. I'm using chicken here, but keep it vegetarian by using vegetable stock. Turn the heat up to high to bring it to the boil. Allow it to boil for about 5 minutes before you clamp the lid on, turn it down to medium and let it simmer for about a half an hour. A half an hour later then, when the vegetables are all really soft, you're going to have to blitz this up. A hand blender would be really handy for this, but mine broke recently, so I'm going to have to transfer all of this to my NutriBullet in batches, which is a bit of an ordeal, but you don't need to see it. Next, I'm going to pass the blitzed soup through a fine mesh sieve. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. The soup is going to taste the same if you don't, but this will just give it the most amazing silky satiny texture. It's really top quality. Once you're done, the texture really will be amazing and any kind of graininess will be taken right out of it. It might be a little thick though, so you can loosen it with a bit of cream if you like. I'm adding about 100 mils. Next, taste to check for seasoning, and if needs be, go ahead and adjust it. This will be perfect heat now, but I'm going to set aside for just a little bit while I take 2 conference pears and quarter them, and then stick them on my grill pan once it's really nice and hot to give them all those lovely tiger skin char marks, and this will also give them a really nice flavour as well. You could fry them instead if you wanted, but I always prefer to use my grill pan. How long it takes will kind of depend on the firmness of the pear, but you want them to be nice and charred but also soft enough to eat with a spoon. Now plate up by adding a few generous ladles to a bowl. Add 2 grilled pear quarters to the centre. Top them then with some chunks of Roquefort. You could use Stilton if you prefer, but the combination of this blue cheese with the grilled pear and the lovely silky soup is just epic. Now scatter around a few of those lightly spiced walnuts. Add a sprinkling of fresh parsley and a small drizzle of truffle oil. Then just dig in and enjoy. Again, this soup is perfect on its own, but I really think all these toppings and the combination of flavours they bring really accentuate the vegetable flavours in the soup. It's so delicious. Thanks a million for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Be sure to hit that bell as well to make sure you get a notification every time I upload a video. You can check me out on social media if you like. You'll find all the links to my accounts in the description below, as well as the link to my blog where you'll find this full recipe at www.rookiecook.org.